Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. It has been a very busy summer here. I've been working on many projects in the different areas around our house. Some projects have just been started, and some are about to finish. Today I want to take you with me to tackle our old fireplace, which was built in the 1980s. Since there are many things need to be updated, I'll break this makeover into a couple of episodes. In today's video, I will be painting the tiles, replacing the mesh screen curtains, and repainting the fireplace hearth. In the next video, I'll be building the mantelpiece and the fireplace surrounding. So let's get started with today's project. These curtains are hung on two metal rods above the hearth, locked with the clips at the both ends. As the curtains are too old and rusty, it's very difficult to remove. So I just used my garden pruner, cut off the both ends and removed them from the rods. The next step is to remove the mantelpiece. First, I used the utility knife to cut through the caulking line between the mantel and the wall. After carefully checking the bottom, I didn't find any screws underneath the mantel, so I used the crowbar and the hammer to slowly remove the mantelpiece from the wall. The tiles are old and the color is quite ugly. I don't want to chop them off and redo the tiling, as that will make the project bigger. And another reason is that I think the tiles are about the same size as bricks. So I want to make them look more like a painted brick wall and give this fireplace more of rustic feel to it. These tiles are smooth and shiny. I need to use my sander and the 40 grit sandpaper to degloss and roughen the surface, so it would be easier to adhere the paint. I bought some large plastic sheets from Amazon, only $1.69 per sheet. They are perfect for the projects like this. You can cover the whole area with one sheet to keep the dust inside. I also opened the chimney inside the fireplace so the dust won't float in the air. I love to use this fireplace in the winter, mostly on a rainy night. Sit by the fire with a cup of tea. Let the cozy and peaceful atmosphere permeate the air. I'm using the Rust-Oleum matte black spray paint to update the hearth and the log holder. The paint is specially designed for high temperatures. The maximum heat resistance for this paint is 2000 degrees. When working with the oil-based paint, make sure to wear the proper protective gear to protect yourself. I bought this set of new mesh screen curtains from Amazon for around $40. There were many sizes to choose from. I just measured my old curtains and chose the same size. The installation is very simple. There is a set of curtain rods inside the fireplace above each side of the door. Just put them through the metal rings and then fasten the clips on the ends. I then use the damp towel to wipe off all the dust before the painting process. About painting the tiles. If it's for kitchen or bathroom tiles, people usually use the painting kit that's specially designed for the tiles in those areas. There are usually several steps in the process. All you need to do is to follow the instructions step by step until you finish the painting process. But that wouldn't work for my fireplace because I want the finish to look like a painted brick wall. So I'm looking for a matte finish paint. And most of the tile paints are glossy, as they have to be water and moisture resistant for an area like a kitchen or a bathroom. I went to the Ace Hardware store near my house and asked a staff member for help. He recommended a primer to me from Benjamin Moore, which has a strong bond to multi-surfaces. As far as the paint, The staff also recommended the same brand of latex paint, which works on tiles. I decided to go with the color called wrought iron. These tiles would not get hot when the fire is on, so it's not a problem to use the latex paint on them. I applied the 3 coats of primer and the 3 coats in paint, and the results were much better than I expected. It looks like a painted brick wall, and when you touch it, the surface feels just as hard and heavy as rock. As I have 2 cats in the house, so I vacuum the room every day. I turned the vacuum cleaner to the highest level to work on these painted tiles, and there is no problem with the back and forth collisions when vacuuming. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you all next time.